Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Everyday Technology. And today we are going to be taking a look at my new travel tech bag, as well as all of the amazing tech I am going to be putting inside. This is what's in my tech bag for 2019. There are an absurd amount of laptop bags on Amazon, ranging from $20 to $500, but the bag I have right here seems to be the sweet spot both in price and quality. This is the Tocode Herald Travel Backpack, and with its $30 price point, spacious interior, and USB charging port, it has a lot to offer. Big thanks to Tocode for sending this out for review. The backpack itself is built very well and will definitely be able to withstand tough travel situations. There are 3 compartments on the front, one for school supplies like note cards and pencils, and 2 others meant for smaller valuables like wallets and phones. On either side there is also stretchy sleeves for water bottles. If you are that kind of person who still uses wired headphones, there is also a cable pass-through so you can connect your phone on the inside. The main compartment has a padded pouch for up to a 17-inch laptop and a plethora of zipper sleeves opposite the laptop meant to store things like keys. The sleeves can also be used to store a power bank if you wish to charge your phone using this backpack. The USB charging feature works by way of a USB port on the outside, which can be connected to a power bank on the inside using the permanent cable. I would have liked an interior detachable cable because the one they provided isn't of the highest quality, and it tends to get tangled with your belongings. Similar to the exterior, the interior build quality can also withstand a tough beating. Being a student myself, I have taken this backpack back and forth to classes and thrown a ton of books in it without there being much wear or tear. The comfort level when wearing the Tocode Herald Travel Backpack is very high thanks to the mesh pads that cushion and provide support to your back. Even after a whole day, the backpack remained fairly comfortable. Overall, the Herald Travel Backpack has been an incredible backpack to both store my books in and to wear. If you're on a tight budget and you're looking for a high quality, durable, and overall good looking piece of gear, this is definitely a good option to consider. So, what am I actually going to be putting in this tech bag? Well, if you're a tech fanatic like me, then you know it's quite hard to fit everything you quote unquote need in one bag. I had to narrow down what tech to take, both to make sure it would fit and so that this video would remain at a relatively watchable length. So unfortunately, I couldn't include all the tech I wanted, but I still managed to fit all the equipment needed to make a video if I desire to on my travels. The first product in my travel bag is the Zoom H1 audio recorder. I have used this small stereo microphone multiple times when I am on the go and don't have much space for a full-size recorder. The H1 has superb audio quality for its size and can be used to power lavalier mics if the need should arise. It does require AA batteries, but if you're like me and very rarely carry batteries with you, the recorder can also be powered by mini USB. Because I am very limited with space in my backpack, the H1 was the ideal choice for my microphone on the go. I often like to listen to music wirelessly in my travels, but losing expensive headphones is a possibility, so that is why I decided to go with the Fire Future Truly Wireless earphones. These earphones are reminiscent of more expensive devices, but surprisingly, they are only $50. At this price, I don't have to worry about losing them, and contrary to what you might think, these earphones are actually built well and sound full and clear. To charge the earphones, you simply have to pop them in their magnetic charging case, and after a full charge, you'll get about 3 to 5 hours of playtime. In the ears, the Futures are pretty comfortable, and being someone who doesn't normally like the feel of earphones, I was very happy that these felt sturdy. For the price, these earphones are amazing and will definitely satisfy my audio needs when traveling. Whenever I travel, I am always taking photos, and although I could use my phone to take them, I still prefer a DSLR. My DSLR of choice is the Nikon D3400. I have had this camera for around 3 years now, and although it's just entry level, the image quality is still very sharp. It features HD video recording and full manual controls, which allow me to take the best images possible. As for lenses, I use the 15 to 55mm kit lens for most photos, but occasionally I will use an f1.8 lens for specific shots. This camera isn't necessarily small and portable, but it's the best option I have to take stunning photos. Next up in my bag is the DJI Osmo Pocket. I just made a review of this device, which will be linked below, and over the time I have been using this small gimbal, I have really began to love it. It's extremely small, lightweight, has full manual camera controls, can record in 4K, and has a 3-axis gimbal, which allows me to get some buttery smooth footage. The Osmo Pocket comes with a really well-built hardshell carrying case, which is ideal for traveling, and with DJI's new update, you don't even need a phone to control this device, which makes the Pocket even more portable. Using this product will allow me to achieve great cinematic video, and it's a must-have for me when on the go. After recording all of this footage, I will need a machine to both edit and possibly upload it. My computer of choice is of course the MacBook Pro 15-inch from 2018. This beast of a laptop can handle pretty much any editing task I throw at it, and especially with the 4K footage from the Pocket, I am going to need it. The MacBook Pro is incredibly thin, which is great for travel, but with that thinness comes problems, notably the lack of ports. To combat this problem, I have to bring along my Moken dongle. This device, for the most part, solves most of my port problems, featuring an HDMI, USB, and USB Type-C ports, along with a micro SD and regular SD card slot. The lack of ports is probably the MacBook Pro's biggest flaws, but I would rather have a lightweight and portable design than a thicker and less portable one with more ports. Although the touchpad on the MacBook Pro is by far the best I have ever used, personally, I still like the feel of a mouse. Because of this, I've decided to bring along my Logitech M720 mouse. This product has been my main editing peripheral for a while now, and believe it or not, without this device, editing would take a whole lot longer. A cool feature with the M720 is its ability to seamlessly switch between 3 different connected devices, with simply the press of a button. Multi-device pairing allows this mouse to be used with a whole lot of different Bluetooth-enabled products, which is really useful when you're on trips and you only have space for one mouse. When using it, the contour of this mouse's design cradles your hand, making the user experience phenomenal. Everything in my bag has a purpose, and when I put all of those products together, I am able to create some awesome content while on the go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, feel free to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on when I upload another tech video. And with that, this has been my 2019 What's in My Tech Bag video, and I will catch you all later. Peace.